How are you? Where will we go? What will we learn? I know. Follow me. It's around this turn.
It's so funny, Look, Miss Cookie, it's my friends. Hello, everybody. These are such special friends. They always join me. Guys, I want you to meet Miss Cookie. Hello, everybody. Ooh, she's a special friend. Do you know what she likes to do? What do you like doing, Miss Cookie? I love baking. Yes, she likes it. And you know what? During lockdown, it's so nice to bake some cookies or pizzas or whatever you want to bake at home. A bread? Can I bake a bread, Miss Cookie? Oh, yes, you can make a bread, she says. So today, Miss Cookie, will you teach us how to make cookies? Miss Cookie, I have a very special memory from visiting you the other day. Do you remember? You made some lovely cookies. Ooh, I loved them. Miss Cookie, do you think you can teach us how to make those cookies today? Ooh, most certainly. I love baking cookies and I love making new friends. Ooh, Miss Cookie, then you're at the right place today because there's so many friends out there. Now, friends, Miss Cookie has a very, very, very easy recipe. It only has 3 ingredients. Miss Cookie, will you help us count to 3? Ooh, I love counting. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3. Yay, Miss Cookie, it has 3 ingredients. Yes, it does. And this is what you will need at home. Flour, icing sugar, and butter or margarine. Miss Cookie, can you help me bake these cookies? They are simple. So boys and girls, when you bake them at home, make sure you have mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, or a big sister or brother helping you to bake these cookies because we don't want anybody getting hurt, burning themselves at the oven, or anything like that. So boys and girls, I'm going to get ready with all my stuff, and this is what you'll need. 5 cups of wheat flour. Can you count 5 with me again, Miss Cookie? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Miss Cookie, can you count with us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Then we need 1 cup of icing sugar. 1 cup. Yes, Miss Cookie. And the last one is 500 grams of butter or margarine that is soft. Now these cookies are so nice, they're gonna melt in your mouth. So let's get all our ingredients and get ready to bake. Friends, to make this easier, I took the 5 cups of flour and I put it into my bowl already. Now I'm going to take the 1 cup of icing sugar and mix it together. 1 cup of icing sugar and 5 cups of flour. Now we're going to add the butter. The butter needs to be nice and soft. You can put it in the microwave for 30 seconds or you can leave it out through the night. We're going to put the butter in. We're going to put the butter inside. And now we're going to mix it together. Ooh, so nice. Now the best way to mix all of this together is to use an electric mixer. If mom or dad has one of those big ones, it's so much easier. Or otherwise, use your handheld one. Ooh, lots of mixing, boys and girls. Once you've mixed it all, you use your hands. It gets a little bit messy, everyone, but it's so much fun and it gets us to do something. Mom and dad's helping, brothers and sisters are helping, and we're having lots of fun together. When you are busy mixing all this dough together, you need to turn on the oven so long so that it can get nice and warm for your cookies. Put it on 180 degrees and let it get ready to bake. Now, boys and girls, I have got a beautiful pan that I always use. It's a non-stick pan. When I use this pan, I don't even have to put any spray and cook in it. It's very nice. If you do not have a pan like that, you need to use some spray and cook and put that on your pan. This is my pan that I always use. It's lovely. So what I'm going to do is take some of my dough, make it into a ball, and put it on there. There we go. You just mix your dough together like this in a ball. And put it there. Oh, some of them are bigger than other ones, but it's fine. You can make your cookies any way you want to. You're going to mix it, mix it, mix it. Ta-da! Now we're going to put this one in the oven and see what it's like. You ready, everybody? Our cookies are ready out of the oven, and boy, oh boy, do they smell good. Ooh, I'm going to put them in a plate and ask Miss Cookie what she thinks of them. I hope Miss Cookie likes them. They look almost like hers. But boys and girls, ooh, I can't wait to taste one. It smells so good. They're just a little bit warm. So be careful not to burn your hands. What do you think, boys and girls? They look yummy. What does yours look like? I can't wait to hear what Mrs. Cookie has to say about them. Mrs. Cookie! Hello! Mrs. Ooh, look at these! They look gorgeous! Miss Cookie, I made mine and I think they are done and I think they're gonna be just amazing. Can you smell them? Ooh, they smell good. Boys and girls, I hope your cookies looks beautiful and they smell good. And Miss Cookie, what do you have to say to all the friends out there before we go? Maybe you've got a tip. Ooh, remember, boys and girls, when you smell the cookies in the oven, it means they're almost ready. See you soon. Bye, everybody. See you next time. Hello, guys. It's Miss Debbie. Thank you for following me. And if you have not yet, like us on Facebook and follow us on our Instagram channel. Please make sure to subscribe when you get to our YouTube channel and have fun with us as we go on different adventures. See you guys soon. Bye.